Hello children, welcome back. So children, have you tried to do your homework I have given you, yes or no? Yes. So what was the homework children? Yes, I have given you some homework, two homework, yes or no children? Yes. So what was the first one? It was you have to write about the food or drink you like and you don't like. Yes or no children? Yes. So now again you do it with me. Okay children? Yes. So write a type of food or drink. I like dash and dash. So here you have to write two food or drink you like. Okay children? Yes. Here I will write about me, about the food or drink that I like. Okay children? Yes, I like milk and cake. Okay children? And I do not like chips. Okay children? So children, and the next homework is write one word from the story in each blank. So you have to write one word from the story, that is worm looks for lunch here. Okay children, here you have to write one word here. So we will see number 1. Worm does not like grass. It is too what children? Grass is too chewy. Yes or no? Yes. And number 2, you see, worm does not like bark. It is too what children? The worm feels the bark too hard to eat. Yes or no children? So here you will write hard. Okay children? And the last one, worm does not like leaves. They are too what children? Leaves are too dry for the worm to eat. Yes or no children? So children, now we will do match the followings. That is, here we will do match the animals with their homes. Okay children? Yes, one is done for us, that is rabbit, burrow. Rabbit lives in burrow. Yes or no children? Yes. So now we will see about dog. Dog lives where children? Pond, nest, stable, grasslands, cave, kennel. Where do the dog live children? Yes, dog live in a kennel. Yes or no? Yes. So we will match it with here. Got it children? Yes. And now number 3, that is deer. So deer lives where? Pond, nest, stable, grassland, cave. Where children? Yes, deer lives in grasslands. Got it? And number 4, you see lion. Lion lives where? Pond, nest, stable, cave. Where children? Yes, lions live in cave. Got it? Yes. And bird, I hope everyone know where do birds live? Yes, birds live in nests. Yes or no children? Yes. And now number 6, you see fish. Fish also I hope everyone know. Yes, fish lives in water. So here we will see what are the options. Pond and stable. So fish live in pond. And last one, horse. Horse live in stable. Got it children? Now we will do circle the odd word in each set of words. Got it children? Now here odd meaning it is different or strange. Got it children? So first one we will see number 1, monkey, deer, fish, rabbit. So children, here what is the odd one? Monkey, deer, fish or rabbit? Okay, I will tell you. It is the fish. Okay children? Yes. Why it is the fish? Because monkey, deer, rabbit is an animal. Yes or no? And they live on land. They are the same. Yes or no children? Yes, but fish they live in water. Got it, children? Now again number 2 we will see potato, spinach, pumpkin and apple. So here what is the odd one, children? It is an apple. Why, children? Because apple is a fruit. Pumpkin, spinach and potato, they are vegetables. Got it, children? Yes. And now number 3, sparrow, parrot, butterfly, eagle. So here what is the odd one, children? Sparrow, parrot, butterfly, eagle. So here butterfly is an odd one. Yes or no, children? Yes, because sparrow, parrot and eagle are bird and butterfly is not a bird. Got it, children? Yes. And now last one, number 4, we will see tomato, watermelon, banana, papaya. So here what is the odd one, children? It is the tomato. Okay, children? Yes. Why? Because tomato is a vegetable, watermelon, banana and papaya are fruits. Got it, children? Now we will do vocabulary, that is word meaning. So children, here I have picked some of the word from your exercise. Got it, children? Yes. So let's see what are the meaning of those. Okay, children? Yes. Number 1, that is wiggle. So here wiggle meaning to move. Got it? Okay. And number 2, chewy. So here what is chewy? So something you need to bite for a long time to make it soft. Understood? Yes. And number 3, that is bark. So what is bark? It is a covering of trees. Yes or no, children? Yes. And number 4, twig. So what is twig here? Smallest branch of a tree. Okay, children? Now children, we will do writing skill, that is complete the conversation with these words. So children, we have to complete this conversation with these given words, with this given sentence. Got it, children? Now let's see what are the conversation. Okay, so here you have seen this mouse worm. So this worm and mouse, they are having a conversation. So let's see what are the conversation. Okay, children? Yes. Mouse. Hello, worm. Worm. Hello. Who are you? Now the mouse. What will be the mouse reply now, children? Because the worm asks, who are you to the mouse. Okay, now the mouse will reply. That is, I am mouse. Okay, children? Yes, now we will write here, I am a mouse. Got it? Okay, now next, that is worm. And what do you like to eat? The worm now asks the mouse what does it likes to eat. Okay, what will be the answer, children? What will the mouse reply now? Yes, the mouse reply, I like eating cheese. You see, the mouse is holding a cheese. So it means the mouse likes eating cheese. Okay, now we will write, I like eating cheese. Okay, children? I like eating cheese. Got it? Yes. Again, now the worm. I think I will try. So the worm is thinking of what? Yes, the worm is thinking of trying some cheese. Okay, children? We will write this here. Some cheese. Got it, children? Yes. And now the last, now this one, storyteller. So worm tried some cheese. Okay. Now let's see whether the worm likes the cheese or not. Worm, no. That means the worm does not like the cheese. Got it, children? Yes. So we will write here, no, I do not like cheese. I do not like chase. Why? Because it is too salty. We will write here, it is too salty. Okay, children.